Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are here with part 3 of our Soul Connection series. Honestly, I didn't make plan to make so many parts, but this topic is so vast that it becomes too long for one video. That's why I'm trying to explain everything in short, simple parts as clearly as possible. In the last video, we discussed how this soul journey is actually real, how unions do happen, and how soul connections are different from normal relationships. Now, let's talk about how this journey actually begins. First of all, we need to understand that our soul has a certain awareness from the very beginning. From childhood, many of us feel like we are different, like we are meant to do something unique. This feeling pushes us to keep our standards high and not follow the crowd. Because of this, our choices, whether in relationships or career, are often very different from others. When it comes to love, we don't just fall for anyone. There is always a sense of searching, even if we don't know what exactly we are looking for. And this search ends the day we meet our soul partner. Before that, we do meet many people, karmic partners, and soulmates. These people play an important role. They help shape us, guide us, and prepare us for our real soul journey. After that, we meet the one who truly mirrors us completely, our twin flame. Alright, this person is not separate from us. It's like meeting another version of ourselves in a different body or expression. Here, it's not about gender, it's about energy. Now, a person can carry masculine energy in a feminine body or vice versa. It's all about the balance of energies. Now, what happens when you meet your twin flame? They start mirroring you. Whatever you are, they reflect it back to you. Your strengths, your flaws, everything. This often triggers you deeply. Either you feel disturbed or you begin to realize things about yourself. At the beginning, most people get triggered because we don't have enough awareness. We question everything. We try to run away from it. But slowly, the universe starts giving us answers through synchronicities like repeating numbers 11, 11, 222, 333, 444, signs, images, or patterns we keep, noticing again and again. These are ways the universe communicates with us. As we start understanding this journey, we come across the concept of inner work. Inner work means healing and clearing all the negativity within us. The layers created by our past, childhood experiences, societal conditioning, and even patterns carried through generation. In truth, we are pure souls, but after coming into this 3D world, we accumulate many beliefs and emotional layers. Inner work helps us cleanse all that and understand who we truly are. Gradually, we realize that we are not just this body, we are a soul. This leads us toward a deeper connection with the divine. This realization doesn't happen overnight. It comes with practice, awareness, and consistency. Alright? As we align more with our true self, we understanding our soul purpose and we begin to act on it. The twin flame journey is not just, about coming together romantically. It is a highly responsible and unique journey where both partners are meant to complete a higher purpose like an earth mission. Union is not just about love or romance. Romance is a part of it, but at a higher frequency. If we jump into romance without healing, it turns into attachment, ego, or lust. That's why it's important to first release negativity like ego, anger, desires, and return to a pure state. Only then we can experience true unconditional love. A true soul partner doesn't complete you. They remind you that you are already complete. They want you to be at peace so that both of you can experience love in peace. All right? This is not a dependency. You are whole on your own, and so they are. Even when you are apart, there is still a sense of completeness within. In this journey, both partners balance their masculine and feminine energies, come into alignment, and then union happens naturally. This creates a very high frequency that supports both individuals in completing their journey. So, this is a summary of how the twin flame journey works. There is still a lot more to discuss, by the way, which we will cover in upcoming videos. So I hope I was able to help you understand at least a little. So yeah, that's it. So take care of yourself and give yourself lots of love, and always remember